Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for tuning in. Guys, in today's video, I will share with you some of the latest trends and tips to create a comfortable and stylish living room that reflects your personality and lifestyle. One of the main living room trends for 2023 is to use warm and calming colors that bring a sense of coziness and serenity to your space. Some of the popular colors for this year are blues, peach, pinks, mushroom, and ecru. These colors can be used on the walls, furniture, or accessories to create a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. Another trend for 2023 is to experiment with different furniture layouts and accessories that make your living room more unique and functional. Instead of following a traditional or formulaic arrangement, you can mix and match different pieces that suit your needs and preferences. For example, you can add a leather wrapped daybed, a distinctive chair, or a pedestal to showcase a special item. You can also include a game table, a reading nook, or a bar cart to make your living room more versatile and fun. A third trend for 2023 is to embrace the mid century modern style, which is characterized by clean lines, organic shapes, and retro colors. This style can add a touch of nostalgia and charm to your living room, especially if you have some original features or vintage pieces. You can also incorporate some modern elements such as a copper fireplace hood, a yellow sofa, or colorful carpet tiles to create a contrast and a focal point. A fourth trend for 2023 is to use natural and sustainable materials that add texture and warmth to your living room. Some of the materials that are in high demand are rattan, bamboo, jute, cork, and linen. These materials can be used for furniture, rugs, baskets, lamps, or curtains to create a cozy and earthy vibe. You can also add some plants, flowers, or herbs to bring some greenery and freshness to your space. A fifth trend for 2023 is to incorporate some global influences and cultural elements that reflects your personal style and heritage. You can choose from a variety of styles such as Moroccan, Scandinavian, Japanese, or Indian, and mix and match different patterns, colors, and accessories that suit your taste. You can also display some souvenirs, artworks, or books that tell a story about your travels or background. This way, you can create a living room that is unique and meaningful to you. A sixth trend for 2023 is to add some glamour and sparkle to your living room with metallic accents and accessories. Some of the popular metals for this year are gold, silver, brass, and copper. These metals can add some shine and elegance to your living room, especially if you pair them with dark or neutral colors. You can use metallics for frames, mirrors, trays, vases, or cushions to create a chic and sophisticated look. You can also add some candles, fairy lights, or a chandelier to create a romantic and festive mood. Guys, these are just some of the living room trends that will be everywhere in 2023. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.